service here coming at you from Lead Titan. I have some excited news. Not sure how many of you have been waiting for this, but I definitely have. So we now have group chat available in Gohighlevel, which is super, super cool. So I'm going to show you how to get that set up. If you are in your account, you're going to go into your settings. So I'm going to take you back here to the beginning. You're going to go to settings and you're going to go down to your labs section, and you're going to go in and you are going to turn on group chat ability, and that's going to be down here towards the bottom. Let's see where it is. Group chat. So here it is. It's most likely going to be off. You are going to turn it on. If you don't turn it on, it's going to be enabled within 12 days anyhow. The number should be US or Canada for all people to be in the group. Again, in the US, you have to be A2B certified. So once you have that turned on, I'm just going to go ahead and refresh the screen here. And then I'm going to go over to conversations and I'm going to start a group chat, or at least show you how to do that. So we're going to go to conversations and we're going to do new chat, and it's going to be group message. So we're going to hit this group message. Hold on one second. Okay, so I am going to jump back into the reason why I was not able to do a group text message from my one other account. But first, let me show you actually how you can do a group message here. So you're going to go to create new message and you're going to hit group message. You can select the phone number that you want to send from. So we now have this option as well. I'm going to do another video to show you how you can actually select which message you want to send from. You didn't have this option before. Now, it used to be that when you brought a contact in, whatever your default number was the number that was going to be the default number to send to your clients. Now you can change this. So I'm just going to use this 407 number, and then I'm going to go through and I'm going to select up to 10 people that I want to send a message to. I'm going to create the group. No, I'm not going to send the message to them, but I'm just going to show you how this is done. So you can see now that I've created this group message, or this group name. Okay, so here is the group I created. This up here is going to give you the drop down of who is in your group, and if you want to add any more, and you can start the conversation here and then go ahead and hit send. I'm certainly not going to do that through this demonstration, but that's how you would do it. Now, let me take you back to my other account, and I'm going to explain to you why I cannot use the group text messaging with that particular account. I'm just going to pause this video while I go back. Okay, so in here, if I'm trying to send a group message, it's telling me that I can't do that because I don't have the Lead Connector phone set up as my primary SMS provider. And the reason why is because when I first started using Gohighlevel, I ported in my Twilio number. So Twilio is actually my default number for Lead Connector. Now, if I want to use this group message, which I am going to want to use, I'm going to actually have to port my Twilio number over to Lead Connector so that I can create a group message. So it's going to be a little bit of a downtime, but because it's a Twilio number, it should probably only take I would say less than a day to get that ported over, because it can be done internally. So in any event, if you are seeing this feature on your account, this would be the reason why, is because you are not using Lead Connector as your default SMS provider. Thank you.